There's a dog named Max with a wagging tail, a baby duck named Daisy who likes to sail, and a parrot named Polly, so bright and loud. They're the best of friends, and they're so proud. Oh, Max, Daisy, and Polly too, adventures waiting, so much to do. They laugh, they play, they sing all day. Three best friends in every way. Max loves to run and chase the ball. Daisy waddles fast, though she's so small. Polly flies high and shouts hooray. They explore the meadow every day. Oh, Max, Daisy, and Polly too, adventures waiting, so much to do. They laugh, they play, they sing all day. Three best friends in every way. One sunny day, they found a stream, a sparkling water that made them beam. Max jumped in and Daisy paddled around, while Polly sang songs with a joyful sound. Oh, Max, Daisy, and Polly too, adventures waiting, so much to. A brand new quest with Max, Daisy, and Polly, it's always the best. So join their fun, come sing along. The dog, the duck, and the parrot